There are 4 rules you need to know for crushing the crypto market, and I want to reveal them to you in detail. I personally use these rules to bounce back and make financial gains in the crypto market after I lost all of my Bitcoin. Imagine this: you're sipping your coffee in your favorite cafe, basking in the glow of your crypto success and feeling secure with your investments. Then disaster strikes. You open your crypto wallet or account and discover it is frozen and your life savings have vanished. That's exactly what happened to me in 2018. I lost it all: Bitcoin, XRP, the whole 9 yards, and I lost it in a blink of an eye. It was a devastating blow, a nightmare situation. The culprit, a centralized exchange where the CEO died and had locked away the passwords to all the offline wallets that no one else had. Have you ever felt the gut-wrenching sting of losing everything? Well, this isn't a story about defeat. It's a story of resilience. How I clawed my way back from the brink, turning financial ruin into financial wealth and success. And now I'm going to share the 4 rules that I adopted to fuel my comeback. The very same rules that can help you crush the crypto market and achieve your financial dreams. If you're new here, my name is Jay. I'm a professor at the Financial Freedom Academy, and my mission is to help you achieve your financial goals and become financially free by teaching you strategies that actually work for building wealth. So when I lost everything, I knew that I had to find a way to recoup my losses. Driven by my passion for crypto, I decided the best path to recovery was to earn back what I lost through trading. The problem? I was a novice. Trading was a foreign language, but I was determined. I devoured YouTube videos, absorbing basic trading strategies, and connected with experienced stock traders. I quickly learned that trading is a high-stakes game, a battle against other market participants. Success demanded skill, knowledge, and a strategic approach. The market, as I soon discovered, is a wild beast, unpredictable, unforgiving, and often confusing. Many traders stumble and fall before finding their footing. Then I stumbled upon a game changer, the hybrid trading strategy, introduced by Steve, the founder of Crypto Crew University. This strategy emphasized patience, strategic timing, and making a few well-chosen trades a month. It resonated with me. I adopted it. And here are the 4 rules that I use to crush the crypto market and propel my success. Rule number 1, wisdom is power. Immerse yourself in market trends, understand the inherent risks, and stay relentlessly informed. Never stop learning. Knowledge, experience, and sound judgment are the cornerstones of success. Rule number 2, craft a rock-solid plan. Define your financial goals, assess your risk tolerance, and develop clear trading strategies. This is your personalized roadmap to financial freedom. Rule number 3, master equanimity. Trading can be an emotional roller coaster. Cultivate mental calmness and composure. Don't let fear or greed cloud your judgment. Staying level-headed is the secret sauce. Rule number 4, accept the uncontrollable. The market is beyond your control. However, you can focus on your reactions, decisions, and continuous learning so you are in control. It's not about predicting every move, it's about adapting and managing expectations. Think of it like sailing. You chart your course, but you must be prepared for storms. Control and adjust your sails. Navigate the turbulent waters and keep your destination in sight. Many traders falter because of unrealistic expectations. They become fixated on specific outcomes, and when the market throws a curveball, they panic. Flexibility is key. Embrace the ever-changing tides and remember that the market reigns supreme. Like a phoenix from the ashes, successful traders rise from setbacks. They learn from their mistakes, refine their strategies, and emerge stronger. Success in trading, like in life, is often forged in the fires of adversity. It's about resilience, learning from failures, and never losing sight of your goals. Now, I want you to put these rules into action. Grab a pen and paper or your phone and write these down. But first, I want to tell you about the Financial Freedom Academy, where we have transformed thousands of people's lives by turning their dreams of being financially free and living the life they desire into a reality. Subscribe to our free newsletter at the Financial Freedom Academy. Click the link below. Okay, now write this down. Challenges and preparations. What challenges do traders and investors face? Market corrections, unexpected news, technical glitches. How can you prepare? Maybe using stop loss orders, certain diversification strategies, and staying informed. Now write this down. Commitment to growth with the 4 rules. How will you commit to continuous learning and cultivate wisdom? How will you build a robust investment and trading plan? How will you master equanimity? And how will you accept the uncontrollable? How will you take responsibility for your strategies, adapt, and manage expectations? Make this a living document. Revisit it daily or several times a week. Create an action plan, develop supportive habits, and stick with it. If you found value in these 4 rules on how to crush the crypto market helpful, check out the free newsletter below to be part of our trading and financial freedom community. Click the link below. My mission is to help ambitious individuals achieve their financial goals and become financially free by teaching them specific strategies that actually work for building wealth. Things that they don't teach you in school or in college. Remember, trading and investing, like life, is a journey of continuous growth to your health, wealth, and success.